Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can use One4all on Boohoo. So in order to use One4all gift card on Boohoo website, all you have to do is just open up or log into your Boohoo account, and after that you need to add the item to your cart. So you can just go ahead and select the item whichever is convenient for you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select a random product, add the item to your cart or a wish list, whichever is your cart, and then add the product to your cart. After you've done adding the product to your cart, then you can just go ahead and proceed on with the checkout process, and in the payment section you can just go ahead and enter in the redemption code, and you can enter in the delivery that when you reach the payment page, you'll typically see a various payment option. Look for an option with a gift card or a voucher, enter the One4all gift card details, and after that you need to apply the gift card and complete the purchase, and you'll get certain amount of discount on the following purchase. So that's basically how you can use One4all gift card on Boohoo. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.